this God's house? Why is this place so psychedelic? Is this God's house?
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
How can I help you?
Strange. This guy hears somebody on the speaker and still decides to try some keys. With the holiday seasons approaching, don't forget about your other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Man, walk away. Walk away. You mother.
Crazy dude at your house? In the security camera?
He just stole my granddaughter's package off the front porch.
You're kidding. You have a mic on there and you
A lot of people like to ignore warnings. I bet this guy wish he didn't.
House? If I touch something, I'm scared it's gonna turn into a snake. What is this? Fucking God's house? All deliveries, please ring doorbell. Thank you. Is this God's house? Hi? What kind of weird house is this that I told the Pope cannot die. The Pope cannot die. Pope St. Francis, please, Hail Mary.
Can I help you?
No.
What are you doing?
No, nothing.
Get away from our window and don't come back.
You keep going down the road he's going to end up at God's house.
I know somebody in the front. Oh, her, you heard me? Can I help you?
I'm just talking to this machine.
That's my bill. You just rang it.
Yeah, I was talking to them.
You're talking to me. This is my house.
Oh, okay.
What can I do?
This guy comes to his door with a big knife. Everybody should arm themselves just in case. You never know people's intentions. Check Bonnie and Clyde out. Looks like they're trying to steal some car parts. They go up under this hood, but get scared off. Seems like no one's trying to pay for anything. This guy decides to steal a bench from this house. Like I've mentioned before, we're gonna have to start chaining things down. This family went through a horrific incident. Thank God nobody was hurt. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there, and don't forget to keep those doors locked.
Hey, Porch, I got 18 Swiss stamps you have. I'll give you the number. I'll be right here when you order it. I'm right. Right. That's your money. Please. Please do it to me. I know you need it. I know you need it. That is nice. You want me to- I can do it. I'll be check. Check. The mobile delivery. Great.
What floor are you on? Hello? What floor? Huh? In your building, what floor? Hello? That's somebody like they were trying to take.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.